My mother told me, she said, Andy, you'll be a man soon, so understand me. Most of this world sees women like candy, and you'll be a man who will be standing for me. My sisters, my daughters and wives, girls who are learning how to shine their light. Dedicate some of your life, stand for them all, singing out me. My sisters, my daughters and wives, girls who are learning how to shine their light. Dedicate some of your life, you will stand for them all, singing out, ladies, you are beautiful, you are beautiful, you don't even have to try. Oh, ladies, you are beautiful, you are beautiful, more than you could realize. My mother told me, she said, Andy, I know this all may seem demanding, but I'll be leaving and will be handing all of my love to you. You will be standing for me. My sisters, my daughters and wives, girls who are learning how to shine their light. Dedicate some of your life, stand for them all, singing out, ladies, you are beautiful, you are beautiful, you don't even have to try. Oh, ladies, you are beautiful, you are beautiful, more than you could realize. I'm not sure if I'm the best one to carry this torch. I'm a mess and my nose is sore, falling on my face trying to break the norm, but I still conform. And I know you see mistakes I'm making, wait patiently for me to replace the man. I can't quite seem to be the perfect man you needed me to be. I need you to believe that I'll be standing here. I got my sword, I got my shield, and you keep ringing in my ear. Oh, talk about me, my sisters, my daughters and wives, girls learning how to shine their light. Dedicate some of your life, stand for them all, singing out, ladies, you are beautiful, you are beautiful, you don't even have to try. Oh, ladies, you are beautiful, you are beautiful, more than you could realize. Ladies, you are beautiful, you are beautiful, you don't even have to try. Singing, ladies, you are beautiful, you are beautiful, more than you could realize. My mother told me